सर आपके लिए माइक।
Hello.
तो आशीष,
Morning, people.
मॉर्निंग।
तो आशीष और मैं थोड़ी देर बात करेंगे। मैं इन्हें दुखी करूंगा और आप भी अगर बीच में कुछ पूछना चाहो या बात करना चाहो तो इट बी सुपर फ्री, क्योंकि अभी हम ऐसी स्टेज में हैं इवेंट के वेयर वी कैन हैव सम वार्म कॉन्वर्सेशन। इसके बाद तो बस हम चिल्लाएंगे, आप सुनोगे लेकिन पहले अभी बातचीत करते हैं थोड़ा। यू गुड विद इट? बात करना चाहोगे कि नहीं? यस। अरे यार क्या बात है। और सर मत कहो यार, ठीक है, बुजुर्ग लगता हूँ मुंह नहीं। So
Are you satisfied with the response of good morning?
गुड
नहीं
मॉर्निंग।
यार, एक्चुअली नहीं।
Can I hear a clap? It's for the city, for the startup community. I'm really glad to see so many, bright people in the city. I was never expecting. I thought I was swimming alone in the city, but it's amazing, and I really, I would like to thank the team, Startup Versus team, to discover all of us and build a community here. I'm sure we'll be, able to take it ahead in a much better way till now. Yeah.
चलिए, मैं थोड़ा सा इनकी बातों को और ब्रेक डाउन कर देता हूँ। यार व्हेन यू थॉट ऑफ अ स्टार्टअप, यार कुछ टिपिकली स्टार्टअप शुरू करना होता है ना, तो आदमी का एक ही दिमाग में थॉट आता है कि यार जिंदगी में जो चल रहा है ना कि बहुत खराब है, कि बहुत घटिया है, तो कुछ अच्छा करते हैं। तो यार जब कुछ अच्छा करना था तो ट्रेन में खाना देना क्यों शुरू कर दिया?
No, see, I was always having some or the other idea every day. I'm sure you also, have gone through that phase. रोज एक नया आइडिया, उस पे काम करना, लोगों से बात करना. I mean, that is how you start. That is the natural way you start. I mean, nobody is an Einstein here. Even Einstein might have done this. So it was same with me. I thought of all kind of unique ideas, and I used to discuss with my father, my friends, my family, and it was not always I got a positive response. It was all kind of criticisms. ये नहीं चलेगा. How will you do it? Are you even qualified to run a business? The answer was obviously no, because none of our family members till now before me had an experience in doing any kind of business. But then yes, the ideas couldn't stop. So there were all kind of. I used to see all the startups which have been founded till now. Foodpanda, Swiggy, Flipkart, all are excellent, great ones. But something at the back of my mind, I never was into it, because what I thought, what Foodpanda is doing is it's delivering food at my door. I'm getting all kind of options in an app. But Foodpanda से पहले भी मैं खाना मंगा लेता था यार घर पे. I was living in Gurgaon, and I knew all the restaurants, all the kitchens which were around my house. And every day सुबह न्यूज़पेपर खोलो तो 4 या 5 नए रेस्टोरेंट के पैम्पलेट्स दिखते हैं. तो फूडपांडा से मंगाना मैंने कब शुरू किया? जब 40-50% डिस्काउंट मिला. So I realized कि buy Foodpanda because it is giving me a cheaper meal. But is it a problem? I mean, I can still get a good meal by just making a phone call to a restaurant whom I know. And he still asks, sir, वही आप वाला बनाना है ना? Because he knows me since last 2 or 3 years. So it did not struck me कि यार ऐसा ही कुछ बनाना है. Because what they are doing is they are just delivering the same thing which you already can order or can get through some other means by building an app. I am not trying to criticize any of the startups. They are fantastically doing and executing themselves. But then I found out the real problem while traveling in trains with 7,500 railway stations across India, more than 23 million travelers daily using Indian Railways to go from one place to another. I mean, it's a huge market and a big gap. There are number of government institutions which have been formed in the past. I mean, to solve this problem of catering in trains to provide good food, but unfortunately, they have failed. So that is where I got this, that why this is the real problem. while traveling, I mean, you don't have any choice. I mean, you have to depend on the pantry car food or the railway station where some kachori samosa or unhygienic puri or something is available.
आशीष सॉरी आपको इंटरप्ट करने के लिए, अगर थोड़ा नीचे आ जाओ, लेट्स हैव अ बिट मोर ऑफ अ कन्वर्सेशन विद दीस पीपल। तो आप प्लीज ठीक रह जाओ। सो आप लोगों को समझ में आ पाया कि व्हाट ही इज टिपिकली डूइंग राइट नाउ, हाँ या ना? अच्छा, तो डू यू, आप में से कितने जने हैं हु ईदर रन अ स्टार्टअप और आर अ पार्ट ऑफ अ स्टार्टअप? एक बार हाथ खड़ा करो। ठीक है, सो जो बाकी जने हैं, या तो आपका यहाँ आने के 2-3 रीजन होते हैं टिपिकली। पहला रीजन होगा दैट यू वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग, क्या वो रीजन है? तो हाथ खड़ा कर दो। ओके, ठीक है। तो बाकी जनों का जो आने का रीजन है दैट विल बी टिपिकली टू गेन मोर नॉलेज एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि यार ये कम्युनिटी काम करती कैसे है, हाउ डज दिस सम आइडिया सम डे फिल इन अ गैप, जनरेट रेवेन्यूज, और एकदम से किसी एक दिन बहुत बड़ा सा धंधा बन जाता है। एम आई राइट और एम आई रॉन्ग? हाँ या ना? दिस इज द स्टोरी। चलिए, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट ही इज डूइंग। इन्होंने जो आप अभी पूरे आज दिन भर के कॉन्फ्रेंस में कुछ विशेष टर्मिनोलॉजीज आप सुनोगे, उसमें सबसे मेजर आएगा गैप। व्हाट डज अ गैप टिपिकली मीन? उसको थोड़ा सा और डमीफाई कर दो फॉर एवरीबॉडी।
See, Gap is, as I said, 23 million passengers traveling daily, and there are n number of good restaurants nearby or outside or on the platforms of the railway stations of India. But can you ever imagine that the train stops at a railway station and you go out of the platform, carry a takeaway back to the train? I mean, for how long does the train stops? And you don't even know whether something is out there or not. So this is the gap. So what is the value proposition is, there is a demand, there is a supply which is not accessible to the people who wants that kind of service or product. This is a big gap which we found out and we are trying to bridge it.
सो अगर इस आइडिया को आप एकदम सिंपल से लाइंस में अगर एक वन लाइनर इसका बनाओगे तो ये बनेगा कि ट्रेन में आपको अच्छा खाना नहीं मिलता था, इन्होंने वो देना शुरू कर दिया। सो एनी बिजनेस आइडिया, एनी बिजनेस टिपिकली, ईदर अ स्टार्टअप, ईदर एनी बिग मॉडल और एनीथिंग दैट जनरेट्स रेवेन्यूज, उसके लिए पहली चीज है प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट। आपके लिए आज द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ राजस्थान हैज टेकन दिस एफर्ट कि आप तक ये नॉलेज पहुंच सके वेयर यू स्टार्ट आइडेंटिफाइंग प्रॉब्लम्स एंड स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग देम। आप अपना बिजनेस तो जनरेट करोगे, पर अपने आसपास की सोसाइटी के लिए एक वैल्यू जनरेट करोगे। सो बिफोर इवन वी गो इनटू द मोर डिटेल इन द होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इट, आई वुड लाइक अगर आप में से कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहे अबाउट हिज बिजनेस मॉडल, अबाउट व्हाटएवर यू अंडरस्टूड अबाउट हिम, तो इट विल बी वेरी नाइस। कोई है सर, वांट टू आस्क समथिंग? हां प्लीज।
First of all, I highly appreciate it for your startup and its innovation. It is a very good thing you are providing hygienic and good food to the passengers of the train. It is a very good thing. My question is, whenever you establish your startup, what were your marketing scheme and how you created the database? For example, you are providing the food for railways in all over India. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. So how would you create that database? Because availability of any restaurant or any of your supply chain is not practically possible in every part of India, especially in say states like Bihar and Bengal. That is my question.
That's correct. Can I know your name, please?
Sir, Shivashish Pandey.
Hi, Shivaji.
Thank you, sir.
Very rightly, pointed. How I thought of it and how I started off. Yeah. Definitely, and to be thankful, we are living in an era where a lot of information is available online, right? So when we started off, I definitely did not have a budget to go to each and every city and visit the restaurants and find out. There was Zomato, there was Just Dial, a lot of other n number of restaurant finder platforms available. We used them. We tried to screen them out at that stage. A lot of the good restaurants which we found out were not very keen on this concept at that stage, and they were not ready to join in because they used to deliver with Foodpanda or Swiggy, but delivering in trains is a totally a different ball game. So they were aware of it. So we ended up tying up with the worst restaurants ever possible on our platform, and we had a very bad time. The initial, the first quarter, I would say. But then yes, then we realized, and during that time, even IRCTC and our honorable railway minister was, he also mentioned in some of the statements in the press that they were very keen on promoting the e-catering in trains. The reason being, the pantry car concept is the railways are getting hit by 1,000 crores per annum for maintaining this the entire system of pantry cars, and it's not working properly. So they want to go away with that and promote the e-catering part. The reason being, in this concept, whatever complaints come, it's totally, it's the onus of the private aggregators like us, and the railway will not have, to care about. I mean, they'll be as a regulator, something like that. It's not yet structured, but that is how it is going as. Currently, we are adopting the digital platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram. We are also trying something out in blogging. And there are people who search daily. I think the keywords like PNR and IRCTC are the most searchable keywords on Google. So we target these terms and try to market our product to these people, because these are the our target customers. These are
Amazing. Very big hand for the first stand-up story within your own city.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ashish. Thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoy the whole festival.